Hey everyone. Hi Shreya, good afternoon. Heartless boy, how are you circulating your blood, bro? Heartless boy, it's a biological miracle. Hi Manish, hello Shreyashi. Good afternoon everybody, I hope you guys are doing great. This is our second lecture on circles. We've covered all properties, we've looked at chords, we've looked at tangents, secants. It's time for us to try out some questions based on those. Yeah, are you guys ready for some questions today? Hi Vanshi, good afternoon. Shall we begin? My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer. I'm from Chennai. Please don't forget to follow #CatLiveDaily the next time you're on Instagram. Hi Keshav. These are the 2 Telegram groups that we have. Please get yourselves added to these groups. The links for these groups are provided in the description. These will keep you updated with everything that we have planned for your MBA prep. These are the ongoing batches. You can join these batches by getting one of these packages. This is for Plus. Use my referral code Surana Live, get your 10% discount. These prices are about to change, guys. Before they change, before they increase, please get yourselves one. You can also get yourselves an iconic subscription again by using my referral code Surana Live. That being said, let's begin. So properties of circles ke base pe we will be doing some questions today. I'll put up a question, I'll give you some time to do it, solve and send the answer, and then we'll discuss. Okay, Lalit, कर तो रहे हैं plus पे. Today I have a session by 6 PM on Plus. 6 PM to 7:30 PM. So it's going on, no, on Plus. Geometry and mensuration. If you are on Plus, then get yourselves enrolled to this batch. Sir, you remember me? I think I do, I'm not very sure. I do. ऐसे से किया था मैंने तुम्हारा नाम देख के. I hope you remember that. Go ahead, read the question. This is a theta question, so get the answer. They're asking for the ratio. That means you're gonna have to answer it in decimals. Okay, the diagrams are not given. If the diagram is not given, then you got to draw one for yourselves. Okay, one and a half minutes left. कोई किया है क्या सॉल्व? Were you able to get the answer to this? 13.3 says Mudit. 13:3 क्या? 13:3. Shreyashi says 13:2. Hi Aman, good afternoon. ये थीटा है तो आंसर इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेसिमल. वो आदत डाल लो कि डेसिमल में ही आंसर करेंगे. That'll become easy for you. Okay. Nalin says 34:3, 13:2. Okay. हो गया. Okay, 6.5. Alright, so let's look at how our diagram would look like. So we have 5 concentric circles. Yes, what do you mean by concentric? Same center, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've given the ratio of their circumference. Yes, we know circumference is directly related to the radius. Correct. Circumference of the circle is directly proportional to the radius, because circumference is basically 2 times pi times r, where 2 times pi is a constant. Yes, that means the ratio of their radii will also be the same, 2:3:7:9:13. Yes, so now they're saying what? If there is a line that is joining the center to the outermost point on the circle. Yes, what is this line? OX. This entire line OX is what? The radius of the larger circle, correct? Largest circle, which is what? 13. Yes, now what are they saying? What is the ratio of the length of the line to the radius of the second innermost circle? Yes, line is 13 parts. Second innermost circle, this is first, this is second. Yes, this point. So this is basically what? Radius of the second circle, which is 3 parts. Am I right? Are you getting this? Yeah, guys. They're talking about second innermost circle, right? This is 2 parts. This entire thing will be 3 parts, no? This is 3 parts. So it will be 13:3, not 13:2. Am I right? Yeah, Mudit. It's not 13:2, it is 13:3, because they're talking about ratio of the length of the line to the radius of the second innermost circle. Yeah, it's 3 parts. Let's call it P or whatever, or Y. So OY is actually not 2 parts, 3 parts. I'll say 13x and 3x. Hi Milan. So the ratio of this is what? 13:3. Which is 13/3. That's nothing but 4.33 bar. So your answer is 4.3 approximately. Got it? अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स आते हैं मिलन तो दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए, अगर कॉन्सेप्ट्स नहीं आते तो दिक्कत होगी. Okay guys, the highlight part is this second innermost circle, not innermost circle, second innermost circle. This is first innermost, this is your second innermost, so they want this length. Got it? That is 3 parts, not 2 parts. 4.3 is your answer. Chalo, try this question now. अच्छा गाइज, वीडियो को अगर लाइक नहीं किया अब तक तो कर देना. इफ यू हैवंट हिट लाइक ऑन दिस वीडियो ऑलरेडी, डू इट. टाइमर नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है कोई नहीं, ट्राई करो. Nalin Shreyashi say A. Aman says 82, which is C. Mudit also says A. Okay. Ivanshi says A. Very good. How about others? Any more answers? Okay. So let's say this is the tree. Okay, let's say this is the tree. The length of this is what needs to be found out. They're saying what? This tree swings with the wind such that the angle covered by it is 14 degrees. So the tree swings like this, okay? Swings like this, and this angle covered, right? This is, I know this is an exaggeration of it, but just an example, okay? Let's assume this is 14 degrees. They want us to find the length of the tree, that is this part, which will be equal to this, right? This and this would be equal, yeah, because it's the same tree. Now what is this basically? This basically is what? Radius, yes, of a circle if I complete this. Would you agree? This is the radius. So I need to find the radius. They've given us what? They've given us the length of the arc, that is 33 meters. This arc is 33 meters. We know length of an arc is basically what? Theta by 360, the ratio between central angle and 360 into the circumference, which is 2 pi r. Correct? Yes, so with this, what we want is this r. What will r be equal to? R will be equal to length of the arc, which is 33 into 360 by theta, which is 14 into 2 times pi, which is 22 by 7. Agreed? This is your radius, that's it. Yeah, so this is thrice, this is 2 times, this is once, this is twice. 360 by 8 is what? 45. So 3 times 45 is our radius. What is our radius? Radius comes up to 3 times 45, which is 135 meters. Option A is our answer, 135 meters. Any doubts here? Hi Aditya. Thank you so much for calling me that. Yeah. Done? Shreya, 90, everybody who said D or 82, please check. Check what went wrong there. Done? Yes, no? आया समझ में कि नहीं? Guys, done? Beautiful. Chalo, try this. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक था तो ठीक है, नो इश्यूज. ऑलराइट मरीशा. Quickly try this. Thirty seconds left, guys. Shreyashi says B. that is half of s square units. How about others? Udit also says B. Shreya says B. Mayank says B. Very good. Aman also says B. Good work, guys, good work. So what is given? There's a circle that is cut from a paper which is square. Okay, so this is square. They're saying area of the square is S. Yes, area of this particular square is S. Okay, in this they are cutting off what? Maximum possible size, circle of the maximum possible size. That means maximum possible area. Yes, this would be the circle, correct? Basically what happens here, whatever is the height, whatever is the side here, yes, let's say A, this A will be the diameter of the circle, correct? Because this is the center and through the center this will pass. So diameter is also A. Yeah, so we can, just to say, we can say that P is nothing but what? A by 2 is the radius, so pi A by 2 square. Agreed? Which is equal to what? Pi into A square by 4, where A square is basically, A square is what? S. Do you agree with this? So pi by 4 S. This is the area of the circle. Yeah. That done. Now what we are looking for is another square that is cut, which is of maximum possible size again. So another square is cut of the maximum possible size, correct? What happens here? See, passing through the diagonal is the radius. Yes, radius of this circle and this area is the same, correct? This diagonal is the same. Yes, so if you say the diagonal, what are they basically asking? Area of this, right? Area of this particular square. So diagonal, if diagonal is A by 2, no, diagonal is A, correct? Diagonal is basically A. Would you agree with this? Yes or no? This diameter is the same as this diameter, correct? Passing through the center. Yes, so diameter is A. So what will happen if diagonal is A? Then each of these sides will be, if this is A, this is A by root 2, this is A by root 2. Yes, 45, 45, 90. You can go with 45, 45, 90 or Pythagorean theorem, whatever. So what do you get? Area of smaller circle, so smaller square, is equal to A by root 2 the whole square, because side square, which is what? A square by 2. That's nothing but A square we know is the area of this bigger square. That is what? 1 by 2 S. Yeah, option B, half S square units is your right answer. Done? Yeah, you can actually do it without pen and paper. Do it without pen and paper. It'll work out. Understood? Beautiful. Very good, Mudit. Nice, guys. Everybody who's at option B, great job. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, before we move to the next question, please understand, guys, that the prices are about to increase. So planning on taking a 12-month, earlier what was 17,500 will now become 22,550. Yes, this is bound to happen real soon. So before this happens, please go ahead and take it, right? 21,000 का 32,800 हो जाएगा. Iconic में भी increase हो जाएगा. So before that happens, please go ahead, use my referral code Surana Life, take the subscription. If you want to talk about it, you can do so in the Telegram group. Quickly try this. very basic question, very basic question. Uh, 38.5 49 पाई बाई 4 उतना कैलकुलेशन तो आपको करना पड़ेगा मुदित. मयंक says 38.5, very good. Nishan 38.5. Aman says 70, okay. Others, Shreyashi, Mudit, Shreya say 38.5, very good. This is actually a very simple question, right? Do you agree with that? बहुत basic question है. They're saying a clock tower has an hour hand of 7 inches. The 7 inches is nothing but what? The hour hand which goes like this. Correct? This is your hour hand. That's nothing but the radius. Agreed? That's nothing but the radius. Saying 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. That's basically 3 hours. Yes, we need to find out this angle. How much is this angle? With this you can find out the area of the sector. Agreed? Now we know it is 90, we know this is 90, but you need to be sure, because in clocks, if the time was not 3 p.m, if the time was, let's say 3:30, then the angle won't be 90. No, if it's 3:30, then the angle won't be 90, right? So you have to be very careful. Number of minutes passed is how much? 0 minutes. Yes. Number of hours passed? 3. In 1 hour, out of 360 total degrees, your hour hand covers how much? Now how many hours are there? In 12 hours, it covers 360 degrees. So in 1 hour, it will cover how much? 30 degrees. Yes. Similar calculations also there for minutes, but we are not doing that currently, so don't worry about it. Done? Now from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, there's how many? 3 hours. So in 3 hours, how much angle is covered? 30 thrice 90 degrees. Yes. So now you know that this angle is going to be 90. That's basically a quarter of the entire circle. Yes. So area of the sector is what? Area will also be divided in the same ratio as theta by 360. Yes. So theta by 360 into area of this entire circle is what? Pi r square. This will be how much? Theta, that is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 times r square, which is 7 square. The 7's gone. This is once, this is 4 times, twice, this is 11 times. 77 by 2, half of 77 is what? 35.3.5, which is 38.5 square centimeter. So answer is what? Option B, 38.5 square inches. Done. Others who said D, जिन्होंने भी D बोला है, अमन, D is not right. Cool. Understanding this is important. Yeah, like I said, if the time was not 3 o'clock, if the time was 2:30, then the angle will not be 90. This won't be equal to 90. This will be less than that. Yeah, we'll talk about clocks later. Clocks के बारे में अपन अलग से करेंगे क्वेश्चंस. ओके, चलो ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. Prachi, you are answering the first question now. Live आ जाइए ना प्राची, if you can hear me. I don't think she can. Anyway, correct answer, Prachi. Very simple question, this one. D, Manish says B, Aman, Nalan, Shreyashi says D, Manish is saying B. 4 others. कोई? So what are they saying? They're saying that there is a gold coin being placed on a piece of paper, right? Let's say this is that coin. How many more coins of the same size may be placed such that each touches the central coin? That means a circle should touch the central coin like this. At the same time, it should be touching another coin that is adjacent to it, like this. Yes. So this is how each of these coins should be placed, right? The next one will be placed here, then the next one here, like this. Now if they're placed like this, let's look at what happens inside these circles. We know these circles are of the same size. These coins are of the same size. So if this is the radius of this circle, then this will be radius of the other circle, which, because they are equal in size, their radii are also equal. This is the radius, this is again the radius of it. Same way, this is the radius of this circle, this is the radius of this circle. Yeah. So keeping in mind the central circle, let's say this is your circle in the center, okay, central circle. What is the angle formed here? Anyone? What will be the angle that will be formed here? Since this is an equilateral triangle, this is a 60 60 60 equilateral triangle, correct? 60 degrees. So if I were to put another circle, what will happen? Another circle if I were to put, then another equilateral triangle will be formed with that. Agreed? This being one of the sides, the other side being like this, and then the third side, correct? This will again be 60 degrees. Correct? This will again be 60. So how many such 60 degrees can be accommodated here in the central circle? How many 60 degrees? We know that the entire central angle is 360 degrees. Each of these triangles is 60 degrees. So number of triangles, number of equilateral triangles will be 360 by 60, which is 6 triangles. If there are 6 triangles, it basically means there will be 6 more coins. Yeah, if the question is asking how many in total, then the answer will be 7, because including the central there will be 7. Correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and including the central 7. But since they are asking how many more, the answer is not 7, it is 6. Cool? Understood? Any doubts, anybody? So Nalin, Aman, Manish, Shreyashi, very good. Guys, hit like on this video if you like what we are doing here. Chalo, here's the next question. बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन है ये. पंकज से C, प्राची से D. प्राची पता नहीं कौन से क्वेश्चन का D है. प्राची से A. Is this for this question? प्राची इस क्वेश्चन के लिए क्या? Shreya says C, very good. Aman also says C, superb. Done? Everyone? Correct, superb Nishant. Couldn't figure it out? Chalo, okay. So we know that PR, if PR is a tangent, then if I draw OQ, which is the radius, this will be perpendicular to PR. Agreed? So radius of this circle, smaller circle, is perpendicular to the tangent. If I join this here, what will I get? I'll get a right angle triangle, correct? This is supposed to be a straight line. This is a right angle triangle. Yes. So with this, can I get some kind of a relation? I know that PR will be split in two parts, because if this is a right angle triangle, this is also a right angle triangle, and we know OP and OR are equal, and OQ and OQ common side, and one angle is equal, so this becomes SAS congruency. So these two are equal, that means this will get divided in two parts, correct? So PQ is half of 6, which is 3 meters long. If PQ is 3, we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that OP square will be equal to OQ square plus 3 square. Yes. At this point, my suggestion to you, instead of breaking your head or instead of trying and solving it, my suggestion to you would be go reverse engineering. Yes, go reverse engineering. You know that if you plug in 7, yes, if OP square is 7 square, 49, OQ square will become what? See, 49 if I plug in, so 49 minus 9, OQ square will become 40. That means OQ will not be a decimal. Sorry, not integer. Yes, so you are looking for a term that will give you an integer, and if you are aware of something called Pythagorean triplets, then you are done with this. Yes, plug in 5, you get your Pythagorean triplets. What would you get? Get 3 is to 4 is to 5. Yes, where 3 is your PQ, 4 would be OQ, and 5 would be OP. Got it? These are your Pythagorean triplets. Yeah, so whenever you come across integral sides of a right angle triangle, then you can keep in mind 3:4:5. You can keep in mind 5:12:13. Just another example of Pythagorean triplet. Yes, simple question. Done. Okay, try this one. Read the question carefully and then answer. Okay, question looks long, but it's actually very simple to answer. Anyone answers? Last 10 seconds. Aman says C. Shreyashi says C. Shreya says C. Pi by 1016. Anyone else? Anyone else? So what we have with us is a circle with unit radius. If the radius is 1, unit radius, if the radius is 1, then what is area? Pi times r square, pi times 1 square is pi. Correct? Now what are they saying? They're saying there are 7 adjacent sectors. What do you mean by adjacent? Next to each other. So if this is the first sector, this is the first sector S1, let's say the area of this is A, small a, okay? Area of the sector is small a. S1 ka area kya hai? Small a. Then what will we have? The area of the nth sector is twice that of n minus 1th sector for every n is greater than 1. So n first वाले का अपन ने कर लिया, n1 n equal to 1 पे area क्या है? n equal to 1 पे area is a square units. Okay. N equal to 2, what will happen? Area will become twice of the previous one, which is 2a square units. Same way, when n is equal to 3, what will happen? A will become equal to double of this, which is 4a square units. This is how the next sector will be. This is your next sector. 2a double. Next 4a double of the previous one. Next 8a double of that one. Uske baad 16a. Yes, then you would have 32a. And then you will have 64a, correct? These are supposed to be small. These are supposed to be small, but then just to understand the concept behind it. Yeah. So what is the total area covered by the sectors? Total area covered by sectors will be equal to A. So we have 64 plus we have 6, 14, 30, 62, 126, 127a. And what are they saying? This 127 square units is nothing but 12.5% of the entire area. Yes, entire area 12.5%. That means entire area is what? Pi. So pi ka 12.5% is equal to 127a. Yes. With this, will you be able to get A? A मिल जाएगा, area of this sector, first sector. A will be equal to what? 12.5% is 1 by 8. And 12.5% is nothing but 1/8. So what will you have? 1/8 of pi into 1 by 127. This is the area of the first part. Yes. Got it? Well, what are they asking? They're not asking for the area, they're asking for the angle. Angle, right? We know A will also be equal to, A is equal to what? Theta by 360 into area of this circle, which is pi. है ना? Theta by 360 into area. So if I equate these two, what will happen? Theta by 360 into pi is basically equal to 1 by 8 into 127 pi. Yes, pi gets cancelled. You get theta is equal to 360 by 8 into 127. This is once, this is 45 times. So theta is what? 45 by 127. Agreed? Theta is what? 45 by 127. Yes. What do we have to do though? We can't write it like that. So theta needs to be converted in terms of radians. How do you convert it by radians? Multiplied by pi by 180. Yes. Got it, everybody? So you know 45 once, 4 times is this. So what do you have? Theta will be equal to pi by 127 into 4. Is it 1016? Is it correct though? Some calculation error. Yeah, why are we getting pi by 508? We missed out something. We missed out something. What did we miss out? Shivraj, area of a circle is pi r square, no? Area of a circle is pi r square. Anyway, so you're getting theta is equal to pi by 508, which is option A. Something went wrong here. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे. Something's wrong. कुछ गलती हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं कैलकुलेशन में. The actual right answer is this, supposed to be this. ठीक है, छोड़ो फिर. देखो ट्राई करो, अगर कहीं मिल रहा है तो ठीक, वरना then we'll do it. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Try this. सेवन है ना अमन? वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव सिक्स सेवन. क्या बोल रहे हो? No, man. I made 7 only. Hi, Vibhor. Wow, man, congrats. Superb, superb, superb. Congrats, buddy. पैक कर लो बैग्स फिर पुणे. कंग्रेट्स विभोर. आई डिडंट सी द मैसेज मैन टेलीग्राम पे. आई पुट दैट अप रियल सून. Nice. Cheers, man. दुआ में याद रखना बस. Super paper. अब खत्म होने का कहाँ बात हो रहा है, दोबारा शुरू होने का बात हो रहा है. दोबारा शुरू होने का बात हो रहा है. खत्म, पहले वाला तो खत्म हुआ नहीं, उसके पहले दूसरा वाला चालू हो गया. Superb, Shreya. Very good, Pankaj. Seeing option A, 24 centimeter. Shreya, she says A, 24. Very good. Manish says A. Great job, guys. So what do we have? We have two circles of two different radii, 15 and 20 centimeters. Yes. Here's one circle. Let's say इसका radius 15 centimeters है, and इसका 20 centimeters है. Right? They're saying there is a common chord. Right? There's a common chord. Yeah. Let's say that chord is O dash. डायग्राम ही गलत है ना. The difference between the centers is given as 25. Yes, difference between the centers, this is 25. Yeah. They're saying the radius is 15. So let's say till here this is 15 and this is 20. वही बोल रहा हूँ, that's not a chord. Common chord to both the चलो ठीक है, this could be the chord, no? ये हो गया chord आपका. कुछ एक बना लो ना यहाँ पे. Let's say this is the chord. This is the chord PQ. ठीक है, अभी chord is PQ. OP is the radius of the smaller circle, which is 15 centimeter. O dash P is bigger circle का radius 20 centimeters. Yes. If the OO dash is 25 centimeters, you know these three sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Correct? ये 3:4:5 के ratio में. That basically means this one was a right angle triangle. Correct? This one was a right angle triangle. Agreed? So if this is a right angle triangle and this part will be perpendicular as well, yes, you can compare their areas. दोनों के areas को compare कर लो. Area of triangle POO dash is half times base is 15, height is 20. Yes, this should also be same as half times this base OO dash 25 into half of PQ, है ना, PQ का half. Compare this, you will get the answer. That's it. So this is thrice, 5 times, 4 times. You get PQ will be equal to 1224. centimeters. Done. ठीक है. If you show that these two triangles are, if you form another triangle here, these two triangles will be congruent. Yes, इसको यहाँ पे अगर आप draw करेंगे, if you extend this triangle POO dash and QOO dash are congruent. That means these two PQ is basically bisected, half and half. Done. Which is a formula? कौन सा क्या formula? This is area of a triangle, buddy. Area of a triangle is given as half times base times height. Aman. So we're just comparing for height. We're comparing the area by taking this as the base, this as the height, and in the other case we are comparing it by taking this as the base, this as the base, and this as the height, this as the base. ठीक है. नहीं, अपन एरिया को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं अमन, ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट अ फॉर्मूला. एरिया कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. एरिया क्या होगा? PQ इज बाइसेक्टेड, दैट इज वाई यू आर टेकिंग हाफ ऑफ PQ. PQ बाइसेक्ट हो रहा है इसलिए यू आर टेकिंग हाफ ऑफ PQ. दिस इज बेसिकली हाइट. दिस इज योर बेस, हाफ टाइम्स बेस टाइम्स हाइट. ठीक है. Now, okay guys, what we are going to do now is a quick quiz. I want you all to open your Unacademy app. Quickly open Unacademy app. Go to tests. Under tests you will see live quiz. Under live quiz, if you click on live quiz, you will have two options, host and join. Click on join quiz. And I'll give you the ID for it. The ID for the quiz is 054. अभी अपन क्विज कर रहे हैं 054164. Quickly join. I'll give you 2 minutes. Join soon. So by now we have completed all major part of geometry. Yes, we're done with lines and angles. We are done with triangles. We're done with quadrilaterals. We are done with polygons. And today we are done with circles as well. Yeah, quickly join the quiz. देखते कितने लोग join किया अभी तक. Just 3 people have joined. Aditya, Milan, Shreya. Others? बाकी लोग. It's a 20 question quiz. इट इज़ अ 20 क्वेश्चन क्विज, 80 seconds ईच, आधे घंटे में हो जाएगा, जल्दी करो. वेरी गुड, 2 more people have joined. अदर्स जल्दी से ज्वाइन करो. Okay, 6 have joined. I'm starting the quiz, okay? I'm starting. The quiz has started. All simple questions. Hi, Araf. Superb, very good. Pankaj. Okay. No issues, no problem. First question is hard, it's okay. Try this. This is also from circles, quick. Superb. Very good, Shreyashi, Shreya, Milan. No issues, Pankaj, Suchi, Aditya. Don't worry. Distance between the midpoints. You'll get 2 triangles, jaldi. Very simple question. पहले वाले में परपेंडिकुलर था, अभी पहले वाले में पैरेलल था, अभी परपेंडिकुलर है. Very good. Superb. Shreyashi, Shreya, Nalin, Milan, Pankaj. Very good, very good. Isosceles trapezoid. Trapezoid is basically trapezium. Perimeter. Isosceles trapezoid, huh? Very simple. This is full mental calculation you can do. Nice. Very good, very good. Very nice, Suchi. Suchi got it right. Pankaj, Nalin, ध्यान से guys. If you're not able to view the image, then tap on the question. You'd be able to view the image in a larger scale. Tap on the question, you will see the image greater, okay? Magnified. This one is a little complex to understand. Still not bad. Very good, Shreya, Shreyashi, Milan. Very good, Pankaj. Draw the rhombus, huh? Draw the rhombus. Done. Very simple question this one is. Hi Beneath, how are you doing? Such a simple question. Very good, Milan. Very good, Aditya. Lavesh, very good. Superb. Pankaj, Nalin. Great work, guys. Area of a parallelogram. Very good, Shreyashi. Superb, Milan. I have a feeling we have done this before. Have we? Have we done this before? ये सेम क्वेश्चन अपन ने कहीं पे किया था. Wow, 25, 25, 25, 25. My OCD is so happy now. लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, इजी है, जल्दी करो गाइस. वेरी गुड आदित्य. This question is incomplete. I think it should mean what is the area of the circle formed at point G. Maybe it's too small. Skip this question, guys, skip it. In this question we are not able to see the rest of the question. Cannot be area of the circle. Because the product of base and height there, if the area of triangle ABC is 156, product of base and height will be 312. Very simple. Jaldi karo. We've discussed at least 5-6 questions of this type. That was a simple question. Similarity of triangles, guys. Two right angle triangles. Draw the diagram and write the given information. You'll be able to do this better. Very simple question this one is. Superb. Nalin, Shreyashi, tough competition. Arithmetic progression. You get two equations there itself. And the third equation is also given. Perimeter should be greater than 2015. Not bad. Very good, Shreyashi. We've done questions like this. ऐसे questions बहुत सारे किए अपन ने, जल्दी करो. Very simple question. Nice. Time consuming, but good question. Superb, Shreya. Milan, careful. Shreya, careful. Two angles originating from the same arc. Nice. Very good, Milan. Back on top. These are non-congruent. But one side is equal. Absolute difference means positive difference. Okay. Careful, Shreyashi. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to 20. These are the three lines. Like if you're not sure with the coordinate geometry part of the quiz, it's okay, don't worry. Yeah, last question. Very good, Pankaj, suddenly on top. Pankaj, Milan, Shreya. Last question, guys. Nalin, Shreya, Shri, Aditya, Keshav, Lavesh, Suchi, come on. You need to find side ABC, side of triangle ABC, any one side of ABC, because it's an equilateral triangle, it doesn't matter. You draw the diagram, this will be done. Purely diagram based question. Superb guys, congratulations. Great work, very good. Milan, Pankaj, Shreya, no issues. Nalin, Shreyashi, Aditya, Keshav, Lavesh, Suchi. Congratulations guys. So there were a lot of simple questions. Some of them were too easy to be done. Most of them were diagram based, right? Most of them were diagram based. This one was very simple, the one with isosceles trapezium. Yeah, given AB is 50 centimeter, altitude AE was also given 48. You could find out BE, right? BE, this question. This question was just too simple to be answered. This is an isosceles trapezoid, okay? Don't. Yeah. These two sides are equal. This is AB, CD. AE is given to us as 48. This is 50. So how much would this be? This would become 14, correct? 50 square. 50 square is what? 2500 minus 48 square. 48 square is 2304, which is basically 196. Root of 196 is 14. So this is 14. If we have another perpendicular here, this will also be 14 because it's isosceles. Yeah, and they've said BC is how much? BC is given, no? Kahan hai BC? 60. This entire thing is 60. So this will be how much? 60 minus 28, which is 32. That's it, done. Answer choices are wrong. If these two are 14 each, this is 14, this is also 14, then this will be 32, not 46. This is wrong. So perimeter will be how much? The perimeter will be 50 twice 100 plus 60 plus 32. Answer should be 192 centimeters. Yeah, this one question was wrong. Did you guys get the rest? Yeah. AP वाला बताना है, ये तो आ गया ना समझ में. Did you guys understand this one? या AP वाला बताते, AP वाला क्वेश्चन कहाँ है? AP. Yeah, so with AP, क्या बोला गया है? We've been told that, चलो 3 साइड है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के, करेक्ट? 3 sides, let's say A, B and C. Okay, we know that C square should be equal to A square plus B square. One information. What do we know? We also know that since they are in AP, right? Since they are in AP, let's say A is less than B is less than C. An understanding. Okay, A is less than B is less than C, so we can say B, 2 times B will be A plus C, correct? 2 times B is A plus C, so what do you get? You get C square is equal to A square plus C square plus 2AC. So C square gets cancelled, you get 2A square is equal to minus 2AC. Wait, what? No. Something's wrong here. A, B, C. B minus A will be equal to C minus B. Correct. 2B is equal to A plus C. Something's wrong here. A square plus A plus C the whole square, which is A square plus C square plus 2 times AC. What is wrong? You're basically getting A is minus C. That doesn't make sense. 3, 4, 5 लेके कर सकते हो. Yeah, the only Pythagorean triplet in AP is 3:4:5. कर सकते हो. What is the question asking, by the way? Question क्या पूछ रहा है? What is the shortest possible length of the shortest side whose perimeter is greater than 2015? इसका perimeter should be greater than 2015. So इसका perimeter क्या है? This is, let's say 3x, 4x, 5x, 9, 12x है. 12x must be greater than 2015, है ना? So what should x be? 2015 by 12. X should be greater than 167.9. So x, the smallest possible value for x is 168. Correct. Smallest possible value of x is 168, and this 3x is the shortest side, so 3 into 168, this is your answer, which is what? 480 plus 24, 504. Understood? Something wrong here that we are doing. जिसके कारण we are getting it in negative. Yeah. Hmm. 2b is a plus c. Sorry guys. My bad. We were going right. Messed it up. 2b is a plus c. So b is a plus c by 2. This we forgot. Now plug it in. C square will be equal to a square plus c square plus 2ac by 2 square, which is 4. You will get the ratio. Once you get the ratio of a, b and c, then you can get this. If you're not very sure about this, that is. Yeah. If you're thinking, what if there's another Pythagorean triplet in the same ratio? Sorry, Pythagorean triplet in AP. So if you want to confirm that, you can do it like this. So this will give you what? 3c square by 4 is equal to 5a square by 4 plus ac by 2. Bring that here, you get, okay, multiply everything with 4, you'll get 2 times AC. That's better. So what do you get? 3c square minus 2ac is 5a square. Take c out common, you'll get 3c minus 2a is 5a square. और I don't think this is working out. Ratio नहीं आ रहा है. Instead you can use common difference also and do. If this doesn't seem to be working, use common difference and do it. Simpler that way. You'll have only two variables, that's it, not 3 variables. So if I take this as a, let's say this is a plus d, this will be, let's take this as a, this will be a minus d, this will be a plus d, right? A minus d plus d is a plus d is a plus d. Got it? Now you can try this. A plus d the whole square will be equal to a minus d the whole square plus a square. This should work out. A square plus d square plus 2ad will be equal to a square plus d square minus 2ad plus a square. A square d square gone. This is 4 times ad is equal to a square, or a is equal to 4 times d. So you will get another side, a minus d will be 3 times d, another side a plus d will be 5 times d. This is the ratio, 3:4:5. So once you get 3:4:5, then things get easy. If you are not able to understand this beforehand, yeah, got it? This is so much simple. A lot of other questions also which were very simple. The midpoint wala question. Triangle mein midpoint, do you remember that? We've already done that before. Yeah, equilateral triangle उसके अंदर, equilateral triangle उसके अंदर. So छोटा equilateral triangle का height दे दिया. They've given IGH का height as what? 6√3. 6√3, this is 90, this is 60, this is 30. या तो क्या बोल रहे 60 के सामने वाला विच इज a√3 is basically 6√3. yes, तो 90 के सामने वाला will be what 2a which is 12. तो each of these sides is 12. Yeah, what you can do is directly find out the area of the smaller triangle. Area of triangle IGH is what √3/4 into 12 square. Yeah, so this will be what √3 into 12 into 3, which is 36√3. This is the area of the smaller triangle, correct? Do you agree? What are they asking? They're asking value of x. What is x? बड़े वाले का साइड गया तो फिर छोड़ो, एरिया ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं. आई थॉट दे वर आस्किंग एरिया की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू फाइंड दिस इज 12 देन बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल में क्या हो जाएगा, ये 12, ये 12, ये 12, ये भी 12, ये 12, ये भी 12. So this will become 24, 24, 24, and finally the triangle that we are looking for, the इससे भी बड़ा वाला, this will be 48, 48, 24 each side. ये भी 24, ये भी 24. So overall 48. This is x. This was dead simple. इसमें even if they had asked area, you could find out by going 4 times. 4 times करते तो you would get the area also. Yeah, so बहुत simple है वो वाला question, है ना. So most of these questions are doable. Most of these questions were simple. बहुत सारे similar triangles पे भी आए थे. We got circles पे भी questions. These were also doable, very much doable, है ना. वो सर्कल में दो छोटे ट्रायंगल वाले एक्सटर्नल एंगल दे रखा था. That was also simple. So these questions are all doable provided you can use a little bit of basic. That's it. Use little bit basic and you're done. Yeah. Okay guys, this would be the end of our session. We have a combat on the 21st. Yes, 21st March 2028, 12 p.m. Do join it. The referral code to be used is Surana Live. Use the referral code, give yourselves a chance. Yes, compete with others to understand what's going on. The Ask a Doubt feature is available for everybody who is on either Plus or on Iconic. You can ask any number of doubts any time of the day. You will get the solution for it by just clicking a picture or choosing one from the gallery, highlighting it properly, and then just giving some information on which section it belongs to. You'll get the solution real quick. This is for everybody who's got doubts when they practice, or when they're learning from somewhere, practicing something from the book. Doubt आता है कभी भी रात को 10 बजे 11 बजे. You can't be conversing in official Telegram groups, right? तो क्या कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, you can directly send it on the app, and the educators there who are assigned for doubt clearing will help you with that. Yes. Chalo, thank you very much for being a part of this session, guys. Thank you so much, Keshav. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you today at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. we are doing greatest integer function. So be there. Yeah, for people who are on Plus and Iconic, 6 p.m. we are doing today quadrilaterals. Don't forget to join us there. Bye guys. See you. Have a great day ahead. Keep learning and let's crack it.